Advantages and disadvantages of wooden kitchen cabinets. Dear friends, wood cabinets are crafted from natural wood, which includes various types such as oak, maple, cherry, and many others. These cabinets showcase a timeless charm. They also offer exceptional durability and aesthetic appeal for kitchen spaces. That said, you can complete your kitchen look by using either porcelain or ceramic tiles, as they are durable and ideal for heavy traffic areas. Advantages of wood kitchen cabinets. Let's delve into the advantages of wood kitchen cabinets. Natural beauty. Wood kitchen cabinets exude warmth and natural beauty, adding a timeless appeal to any kitchen. The unique grain patterns of different wood species create a one-of-a-kind look. Sturdy and long-lasting. High-quality wood cabinets can withstand heavy use and are highly durable. They serve as a long-term investment for your kitchen, maintaining their structural integrity and beauty even in high-traffic kitchens. Renewable and sustainable. Opting for wood cabinets supports sustainable practices, as wood is a renewable resource. Many manufacturers now prioritize responsible sourcing, making wood cabinets an environmentally conscious option. Refinishing option. One of the significant advantages of wood cabinets is their potential for refinishing. Over time, you can refinish or repaint them to make your kitchen look new. This offers a cost-effective method to update the space. Disadvantages of wood kitchen cabinets. Wood kitchen cabinets have certain disadvantages as well. Vulnerable to moisture. Wood cabinets can be susceptible to moisture damage if not properly sealed. They may warp, crack, or develop mold in humid environments. Higher maintenance. These cabinets require regular maintenance, including polishing and refinishing, to keep the cabinets looking new. However, if you have a small space, then opting for small kitchen designs can help you lower maintenance costs. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.